Hello, welcome to your evening weather from the Met Office. You might have noticed it be a little bit fresher through the day today, but it's set to turn more humid as we go into this evening and tomorrow. And that's down to this next weather system that we've got pushing in. You can see a warm front there, that's bringing in much warmer air from the southwest. And we've got another frontal system heading in as well. But back to this evening and overnight, some clear spells for a time across central and eastern parts of the UK. Still a few showers to come across Scotland and western areas, but that then gradually turns into more persistent rain for parts of Wales and the southwest. A lot of low cloud developing over the hills and coasts here, so turning into quite a grey, damp and murky end to the night. But as I say, it is on the mild side. Touch cooler across eastern areas under any lengthy clear spells, but you can see temperatures back into the mid-teens by the end of the night across the south and west. So a bit of a grey, dreary start to the day here with outbreaks of rain, and they will turn heavier as the morning progresses on. Some sunshine to start the day across eastern Scotland, eastern counties of England, but through the afternoon as that rain continues to push its way north and eastwards, you'll notice some brighter colours on the echoes there, indicating some heavier bursts of rain. And we could get the odd rumble of thunder across some northern counties of England and the south of Scotland. Generally drier for the far southeast. East Anglia and southeast England may get off to a largely dry day. Some brighter skies following on later behind that cloud and rain across Northern Ireland, and actually escaping the worst of any cloud and rain across the far northeast of Scotland as well. But it is going to be warm and humid, as I say. Despite the breeze coming up from the southwest, our temperatures will be faring pretty well under the cloud. Quite warm, quite sticky and humid in that southeast corner in particular, 24 degrees your max. But even under the cloud and rain, we're looking at high teens or low 20s. Now, as we push our way through Thursday evening and overnight, you'll notice some further heavy pulses of rain to come for a time across Scotland and northern England. These gradually ease as the night wears on. A lot of cloud left behind though, so still quite misty and murky along some western and southern coasts and hills, and still quite a bit of rain and drizzle to come across the far south. But some clearer skies breaking through in places, one or two showers to follow on behind, and just a fresher breeze then coming into the north and west of the UK, signalling a change as we again head into Friday. Temperatures though, as we start the day on Friday, well, very warm and humid across the south. It's going to be a pretty uncomfortable night here, 16 to 18 degrees Celsius, somewhat fresher further north, but still in the low to mid-teens. A different day then to come on Friday, bit of a grey start across the south, but that soon clears away. And then for much of England and Wales, we're looking at a fine and dry day. Plenty more sunshine than what we'll have on Thursday. One or two showers still possible for the southeast as that front clears away, but even here it should turn drier by the end of the afternoon. Still some showers to come across Scotland, perhaps for Northern Ireland and the far north of England, but in between some decent spells of sunshine. A bit of a breeze at times too, and generally temperatures, although still on the warm side, not feeling quite as close as they will on Thursday. So top values at 25 degrees towards the southeast, typically in the high teens or low 20s elsewhere. Signs of a change though as we head towards the end of the week and into the weekend. We've still got this weather system to come through on Saturday, bringing a slightly cooler, fresher feel for a time. But once that's cleared through, high pressure starts to build, and as that high drifts over towards the east, we draw in some warmer air from the continent. So by Sunday, temperatures could be getting into the high 20s, perhaps 30 degrees or so. And it's likely to be a short-lived spell of hot weather, because as we go into next week, we are going to see things turn more unsettled again. But of course, more details on that developing story over the next few days. You can of course follow us on YouTube to find out the latest. See you again soon. Take care.